we're getting ready to go inside the Popcornopolis factory in California, so we just have to get dressed. Got my lab coat on. It's the new style these days.
We go about developing recipes by kind of doing a lot of trend research, doing a lot of restaurant research, seeing what's really compelling out in the world, and doing that in a way that we feel is going to kind of give consumers the best, most delicious experience, but the one that is the most natural as well.
They have like about 50 ideas a week of what flavors to produce, and I wish they were all produced right now because I would buy them. Lots of popcorn.
We start with American-grown, non-GMO, whole grain corn, and that really is in all of our products. In addition to that, we're trans fat-free, we're gluten-free. There's a lot of options for the consumer, from indulgent treats to things that are definitely much lighter and airy and better for you, like a Nearly Naked.
It's so huggable. Everybody knows of like the classic popcorn flavors like kettle, caramel, cheddar, but it's really cool that they've incorporated new flavors like the zebra one and the unicorn one, and they all taste really good. So you still get that really good authentic taste, but like with a new kick to it.